Hello engineers, welcome back to our channel, and I'm excited today because we are going to make a new control panel for this machine. We are going to disassemble this panel here and make a new control panel for our new machine. As you can see, this is the motor, 3-phase geared induction motor for our new machine, and this one here is the frame that our machine looks like. As you can see here, we have the drum. Now the motor will be driving this drum, the drum will be mixing whatever it is in the drum. Hapa ukiona tuna disassemble our control panel because we want to use the same cabinet to connect our new controls. This one was for another machine. Please comment, share and subscribe.